Hey there, good morning. Welcome to Coffee with Connie. I'm Connie Fuksa with Foote Title Group, where we protect your home ownership. How's everybody doing today? Thanks so much for your time and tuning in. And if you are tuning in, please check in and let me know that you're on. It helps me gear messages towards people that I know that are watching, and it also helps me understand what kind of things you are interested in and what kind of things I can talk about to help you out. So today I want to talk a little bit about property taxes, because everybody probably just received their property tax bill, at least in Maryland and Virginia. I know that's happening, and a lot of people don't even know what to do with that when that happens. So hey there, Pandora, how are you this morning, girl? Hey Pam, how are you? So I wanted to talk about that just for a few minutes, because a lot of people don't even know what to do with that property tax bill when it comes in. So let's talk about that for a minute. So let's say you just bought a brand new house and you thought that all of that was covered in your closing, and first-time home buyer, and you receive this tax bill in the mail and you think, oh my gosh, do I have to pay this? What the heck do I do? No, you don't have to pay it if that money is collected in your mortgage payment. Hey there, Carla, how are you this morning? Thanks so much for tuning in. So not everybody has this, but I would say probably 85% of the people who have a mortgage actually have the property taxes taken out in their mortgage payment each month. And so that means that your property taxes are going to be paid in your mortgage, and you don't have to pay that bill separately yourself. It's not an addition to your mortgage payment. But let's say it is collected. So what do you do with that? So depending on your mortgage company and the jurisdiction you live in, I will tell you, in Maryland, every single county is different. Some send the bills directly to your mortgage lender. Some send them just to you. What I recommend is that you contact your mortgage lender and make sure they have a copy of that bill. So find out from them where that bill should be sent. More than likely, it should not be sent with your monthly mortgage payment. It goes to a different address. Plus, in this day and time, a lot of people actually have their mortgage payments automatically withdrawn from an account. And if that's the case, obviously you can't send your tax bill the same place you send your mortgage payment. So first and foremost, contact the mortgage company and make sure that they are collecting the money, and find out what address they need the tax bill sent to, or do they even need it sent to them, because some mortgage companies receive that directly from the taxing authority and then you just get a copy of it. But you want to make sure you understand that. And if your property taxes are not taken out of your mortgage payment, then you do need to pay those. Now let's talk about the timing about that for just a second, because the property tax bills in Maryland come due on July 1st, but the first half of the tax year, the tax bill is not due until September 30th. So there's a long period of time between when you get the bill and when you actually have to pay it before there's a late fee or a penalty. Now the second tax payment, which comes due on January 1st, comes due December 1st, and you have until December 30th to pay them. They only give you a 30-day window in that particular tax period. In the first tax period, you have a much bigger tax window, and it's because you have the option to actually pay that full bill, and so they give you more time to do it. But if you choose to split your bill into two bills, then you can pay it in June and in January, or in December, excuse me. In Virginia, very similar. Tax bills can be split in half, or you can pay the full thing at one time. Again, contact your mortgage company, because every jurisdiction is different about what jurisdiction is sending the bills directly to your mortgage lender, or whether you're paying those yourself, or if you have to send that in to the mortgage company yourself. So you just need to double check. So the very first call, I would say, when you get that tax bill, is to call your mortgage lender and ensure that they're collecting the money, which more than likely they are if you have a mortgage, and if you need to send the bill to them, where you need to send it, so you make sure it gets to the right place, because you don't want that property tax bill not to get paid. The one thing I want you to understand about property tax bills is your property tax bill is a first lien on your property. it can supersede your mortgage, and that's why the mortgage company collects the money to make sure that that's paid. So if your property tax bill is not paid, the county tax assessor can sell your house at a tax sale with no regard to anyone else. Not you, not the mortgage company, not any other loans that you have against that property. Taxes come first, so you have to make sure that those are properly paid during the proper time. Plus the penalties and interest are horrible, just like any other taxes, if you don't pay them. So really important, the tax bill that you just got, make sure you understand what to do with it. And if you have questions and you're in Maryland or Virginia, we can certainly help answer those questions. A lot of times I talk about things that are not state specific. In this case, these comments, in most cases, your property tax bills are coming out now. It's just how they're handled are different in every state and in every jurisdiction within that state. So I recommend that you contact your mortgage lender to answer all of those questions for you. And if you have a question in Maryland or Virginia about your property taxes, call either the county tax assessor, call your mortgage company, or call any of us at Foote Title Group. Our team in both Maryland and Virginia can answer the questions in either state. So we'd love to help you out. You can contact us by going through on our website. All of our is right on our website. Sorry about that. I try to turn off all my notifications and there's one I forgot to do. So all of our team members' contact information is on our website, www.footetitlegroup.com, and we'd love to help you with any of those questions. So hopefully I gave you a little bit to think about this morning. Good morning, Nancy. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hey, Shelly, how are you? I really appreciate your time, and if there's something that you want to talk about, you want me to talk about, please feel free to reach out and let me know that, and I'd love to help you guys with it, whatever I can. We take care of home closings for you in Maryland and Virginia. We make sure the process is smooth, easy to understand, and we protect your home ownership. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I always look forward to talking to you, and I'll talk to you again real soon. Have a great day. I'm Connie Fuksa with Foote Title Group, where we protect your home ownership. Take care, guys.